Zebras are distinctive African equids known for their black and white striped coats. They belong to the genus Equus and are closely related to horses and donkeys. There are three main species of zebras: plain zebra, Equus quagga, mountain zebra, Equus zebra, and Grevy's zebra, Equus grevi. Here's an overview of their lifestyle and distribution around the world. Species and distribution. Plain zebra, Equus quagga. 1. Habitat: grasslands and savannas across eastern and southern Africa. 2. Distribution: countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Mountain zebra, Equus zebra. 1. Habitat: mountainous regions and open grasslands. 2. Distribution: found in Namibia and South Africa, particularly in arid regions. Grevy's zebra, Equus grevi. 1. Habitat: semi-arid grasslands and scrublands. 2. Distribution: primarily in Kenya and Ethiopia. Social structure and behavior. Social structure. Herds. Zebras live in social groups called harems, which typically consist of one stallion, multiple mares, and their offspring. 1. Plain zebras may form larger herds and temporary alliances. 2. Hierarchy. Within a harem, there is a dominance hierarchy among the females, usually based on age and tenure. Communication. 1. Vocalizations. Zebras use a variety of sounds, including whinnies, barks, and brays to communicate. 1. Each sound has a specific meaning, from alerting the herd to predators to social bonding. 2. Body language. They also communicate through facial expressions, ear positioning, and tail movements. Diet and foraging. Diet. Herbivorous. Zebras are primarily grazers, feeding on a variety of grasses. 1. They may also consume leaves, bark, and stems, especially during the dry season when grasses are sparse. Foraging behavior. 1. Grazing patterns. Zebras typically graze for several hours each day, moving as a group to new feeding areas. 1. Their grazing helps maintain the health of grasslands by preventing overgrowth and promoting plant diversity. Daily activities. Feeding. 1. Grazing. Zebras spend a large portion of their day grazing and moving in search of food. Socializing. 1. Grooming. Mutual grooming is common among zebras, helping to strengthen social bonds and remove parasites. 2. Play. Young zebras often engage in play behavior such as running, chasing, and mock fighting, which helps them develop physical and social skills. Resting. 1. Rest periods. Zebras typically rest in shifts to keep a lookout for predators. 1. They usually rest standing up but may lie down for short periods. Reproduction and lifespan. Mating and gestation. 1. Mating. Male zebras or stallions establish harems by courting and defending females. 1. Mating can occur year-round but often peaks during the wet season. 2. Gestation. The gestation period for zebras is about 12-14 months. Birth and foals. 1. Birth. A single foal is usually born, weighing around 25-40 kg and 55-88 lbs. 2. Maternal care. Foals are able to stand and run within an hour of birth. 2. They are nursed by their mothers for up to a year, but start grazing within a few weeks. Lifespan. 1. Longevity. Zebras can live up to 20-25 years in the wild and longer in captivity. Conservation status. Threats. 1. Habitat loss. Human activities such as agriculture, settlement, and fencing disrupt zebra habitats and migration routes. 2. Hunting. Zebras are hunted for their skins and meat and also face poaching pressures. 3. Human-wildlife conflict. Competition with livestock for water and grazing resources leads to conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas. National parks and reserves play a crucial role in protecting zebra populations and their habitats. 2. Anti-poaching measures. Efforts to combat poaching include law enforcement, community engagement, and international regulations. 3. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research helps track population trends and health, informing conservation strategies. Cultural significance. 1. Symbolism. Zebras are often associated with balance and harmony in various cultures, symbolizing the blending of opposites, black and white. 2. Tourism. Zebras are a major attraction in wildlife tourism, particularly in African safaris, contributing to local economies and conservation funding. Zebras are essential components of their ecosystems, playing a significant role in maintaining the balance of grassland habitats. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure their survival amidst growing environmental pressures.